We love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. This month we're teaching you how to say hungry, 肚子饿。
肚脐，
肚脐，你是那种半夜还没睡觉，但是肚子饿会赶快去睡的，还是会吃？
我如果吃了，我会睡不好。
会反而睡不好。All right, let's hear a conversation about eating late night snack before going to bed.
只吃宵夜係麼？
冇，我食宵夜會睡唔好。
我一定會吃，因為肚脐，我會睡唔落覺。
All right, let's break down some of the phrases, okay? 來，我們來一句一句來教。你常常吃宵夜嗎？ Do you eat a lot of late night snack?
jiab 是宵夜係麼
jiab 是宵夜係麼 ？OK， 宵夜宵夜。
宵夜是什麼？
宵夜嘛，不是嗎？
宵夜。
宵夜，對 ，that is 宵夜。That's late night snack. Do you often eat late night snack? 就是常常叫做
jiab。
Okay, that is often. And then the person says, no, actually, when I eat late, I can't sleep. 沒有，我吃宵夜會睡不好。
冇，我吃宵夜會睡唔好。
冇，我吃宵夜會睡唔好。就是我會睡不好。
對，我睡不好。
睡唔好。This person again answering, no, I can't fall asleep after I eat. And the other party says, well, I need to eat because if I'm hungry, I can't fall asleep. 另外一方呢是我一定要吃，因为肚子饿我会睡不着。
我一定愛吃，
我一定愛吃，
因為肚脐。
因為肚脐，
我會睡唔落覺。
我會睡唔落覺，我會睡不着。我會睡唔落覺，是這個意思嗎？
睡唔落覺，我會睡不着。
睡不太着就對了。
對，根本就睡不着了。
所以 against sleep, 睡唔落覺 that means I can't fall asleep, and so I need to eat. 我一定要吃。
我一定會吃。
我一定會吃。Okay, 吃 against eat, and eating is must. All right, I see myself in this conversation, so let's review some of these phrases, such as late night snack, 宵夜。宵夜 okay, and then I don't sleep well, 睡不好。
睡唔好。
Okay, 然後另外是睡不着 I can't fall asleep.
睡唔落覺。
Okay, two different situations, right? Let's hear the conversation again.
只是宵夜係麼？
冇，我食宵夜會睡唔好。
我一定會吃，因為肚脐，我會睡唔落覺。
And how do you say 肚子餓？肚脐 that's hungry, and now you know. That is today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太感？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.